Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an F1 fan and want to watch every race without restrictions, then this is for you. With NordVPN, you can unlock global F1 streams and save money at the same time using the latest NordVPN promo codes for 2025. Stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest discount. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs for sports streaming with lightning-fast servers, thousands of global locations, and the ability to unblock Formula One coverage from different countries. Whether it's Sky Sports, ESPN, or other regional broadcasters, NordVPN makes sure you don't miss a single lap. Here are the F1 promo codes you can try. F1RACE83. Save up to 83% off long-term NordVPN plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free with 2-year subscriptions. F1 Stream 20, flat 20% off for new customers. Save 15, extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30, 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your NordVPN plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another. So one of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. If you're serious about catching every F1 race without limits, this is the perfect time to grab NordVPN at a discount. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start streaming Formula One securely today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and streaming tips, and let me know in the comments which race you're most excited about. See you in the next one.